In this video, we will learn how to create a folder in Outlook. Let's get started. Here is my Outlook dashboard. To create a folder, let's go to the top bar and click on Folder. Choose a new folder. Enter your folder name. Choose folder contains contact items, InfoPath form items, journal items, mail and post items, note items, and task items. I will go with note items. Here, select where to place the folder. I will choose my email and click on OK. My folder is not visible here. Click on these three dots and then Folder. Here you can see my folder here. If you want to add a subfolder, then go again to the folder over here. Add a new folder. Enter the folder name. Folder contains note items. Choose Team Folder and click on OK. You can see a subfolder is added. This is how you can create a folder and subfolder in Outlook. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.